Is veganism better for the environment than vegetarianism? When it comes to dietary choices and their impact on our planet, the conversation often revolves around two popular lifestyles, veganism and vegetarianism. Both approaches aim to reduce animal suffering and promote health, but they also have distinct environmental implications that are worth exploring. Veganism eliminates all animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs, while vegetarianism allows for the consumption of dairy and eggs. This fundamental difference leads to varying environmental footprints. Research indicates that animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water usage. By removing all animal products, vegans generally have a lower carbon footprint compared to vegetarians, as the production of dairy and eggs still involves considerable resource use and emissions. In terms of land use, vegan diets tend to requiring less agricultural land. This is due to the fact that raising animals for food often necessitates large amounts of feed crops, which could otherwise be used to grow food directly for human consumption. For instance, producing 1 kilogram of beef requires approximately 15,000 liters of water and vast amounts of grain. In contrast, a plant-based diet can significantly reduce the amount of land and water needed for food production. Another aspect to consider is biodiversity. Animal farming can lead to habitat destruction and a decline in wildlife populations. By adopting a vegan diet, individuals can help reduce the demand for land that is often cleared for livestock grazing or feed crop production, thus supporting greater biodiversity. However, it is essential to acknowledge that not all plant-based foods are created equal. The environmental impact of a vegan diet can vary based on food choices. For example, highly processed vegan foods may have a larger carbon footprint than locally sourced, seasonal vegetables. Similarly, certain crops, like almonds, requiring substantial water resources, which can negate some environmental benefits. In summary, while both veganism and vegetarianism offer pathways to reduce environmental harm, veganism generally presents a lower environmental impact due to the exclusion of all animal products. However, the sustainability of either diet ultimately depends on individual food choices and sourcing practices. Making informed decisions about what we eat can lead to a more sustainable future for our planet.